Good morning, students. We are going to start with exponents and powers. As we have completed squares and square root, now we are going to start with exponent and powers. So basically what is known as exponent and powers? First term is exponent. When a number is multiplied by itself, it is multiplied itself. That is known as exponent, or we can say it is a power. Or the other thing, we can say number itself is called the base. Number itself is called the base, and number of times a number is multiplied is known as the power, or we are saying it as an exponent or index. So first thing, if I am showing it by an example, if I am saying 2 to power 5, 2 to power 5, this is 2 to power 5, and this 2 is the base and 5 is index or exponent. So 2 is multiplied, for further clarification, 2 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. So exponent is how many times a number has to be multiplied. So exponent is 5 here. So 5 times I have multiplied 2. And 2 is the number which has to be multiplied 5 times, which is known as base. The number which has to be multiplied n number of times or repetitive time, that is known as base. Means 2 is the base. Means 2 has to be multiplied 5 times in this case. And 5 is the number of times. How many times I want to multiply the number 2. This is known as the base, and this is known as the exponent. So we'll be knowing some of the laws related to exponent. So first law is law 1. One is a to power minus m is equal to 1 by a to power m. This is first law. A to power minus m is equal to 8 by 2 power m, or we can say a to power m is equal to 1 by a to power minus m. This is first law. Means one example, we can say 2 to power minus 3. Means we can write it as 2 to power 3. Minus 3, if we have to make it plus, we have to take in denominator. So this will become plus. So this is law number 1. Law number 2 is, if I am saying a by b to power n, a by b whole power is n. Means we can write it as a to power n by b to power n. Means power is common here, a to power n by b to power n. If I am having 2 by 3 to power 4, in this case we can say, or we can write 2 to power 4 by 3 to power 4. This is law 2. Or it can be written as a to power b, a by b to power minus n. So this we can write it as a to power minus n by b to power minus n. Or for example, if we are having 2 to power 2 by 5 to power minus 3, overall power is minus 3. Means we can write it as 2 to power minus 3 by 5 to power minus 3. Or some more examples are there. We can have some more laws related to this. One part is that if I am having same law, we write it as a by b to power minus n. We can write it as, if I will be taking, we can first write it as a to power minus n by b to power minus n. Or we can take b to power minus n. If we will be taking in to the numerator, it will become b to power plus n. And a to power minus n, if we will be taking it to denominator, it will become a to power plus n. Then we can take b by a to power Is it clear? So this is one example we can also do. If it is written, same example, 2 by 5 to power minus 3. 2 by 5. Overall power is minus 3. So first step we can write it as 2 to power minus 3 by 5 to power minus 3. Then second step we can say that it is 5 to power 3 by 2 to power 3. We have to make the power positive. So this is, again we can take 5 by 2 to power 3 as common. One more law we can write it as, or one more thing we are deriving from this only. If we are having a by b to power 0, means it will be directly equal to 1. Means a to power 0 by b to power 0 equal to 1. So these are law 1 and 2. It is related to law 1 and 2. So we will be moving continuously to, or moving forward to law 3. Okay, law 3. Law 3 is basically a to power m into a to power n. We can write it as we are seeing base is same. Base is here is a. We can write it as a to power m plus n. We'll be doing one example, 2 to power 3 plus 2 to power 2 plus 2 to power 3 into 2 to power 3 will be equal to 2 to power 2 plus 3 equal to 2 to power 5. This is law 3. Law 4 is basically related to division. If I am saying a to power m by a to power n, as we know that if we will be taking a to power n to numerator, it will become a to power m into a to power minus m. And then as we know that we will be adding, base is same, then it will be added to m plus of minus n. We are adding minus n to m. It is indirectly same thing, we have to do minus only, but I am saying we have to add minus n to m. It is m minus n. Or we can directly say that if a to power m divided by a to power n, it will be a to power m minus n. Means this is law 4. Now law 5. If I am having a to power m to power n, overall power is n. So it can be written as a to power, power and power will be multiplied, m into n. So power and power is multiplied. If I am having one example, 3 square and this is 5. Overall power is 5. So we can write it as 3 and 2 into 5 will be 2 into 5 will be multiplied, and this will be equal to 3 to power of 10. Okay. Now we'll be moving to exercise. We'll be doing some of the questions of exercise. So we'll be moving to question number exercise 2. It is written exercise 2 bit 3. Okay. We'll be moving to exercise 2, question number 1 bit 3. Question number 1 bit 3 we are going to do. Question number 1 bit 3, it is given minus 4 to power 3. Minus 4 to power 3 can be written as minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, which will be equal to minus will become plus, plus minus will become minus. So I am putting here minus sign. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So it is coming out to be minus 64. So this is bit 3. Now bit 7. Bit 7, it is given minus 2 by 3 to power 4. Minus 2 by 3 to power minus 4. So we can write it as minus 2 to power minus 4 divided by 3 to power 4 minus 4. This is minus 4. Now we can take 3 to power 4 it will be, and this, for making this as positive, we'll be taking it to denominator, minus 2 to power 4. Now 3 to power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is 3 to power 4. And minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. This is 2 to power minus 4. So this we can write it as 3 to power 4 is 81 and 2 to power 4 is, when will be having even power of minus, so it will become positive. When we will be having odd power of minus, in the first question we have odd power of minus, so it will be turning out to be negative side. When we are having minus 2 to power 4, this is having even power, so it will be positive. So we don't have to write negative side. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So it is coming out to be 81 by 16. Okay. Now we'll be moving to question number 2, bit 2. It is given 2 bit 2. We are going to do 2 bit 2. It is my 3 to power minus 4 into 3 to power 2. It is given. Now we are able to see that base is same. Means we have to add powers. It is 3 to power minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 means you don't have to add. Means it is 4 minus 2. Means sign of 4 is, means you have to do minus. Means it will be equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. And the sign of 4 is minus. So that's why it will be minus. Because 4 is the bigger number. That's why 3 to power minus 2. You don't have to do 4 plus 2 is 6. Many are doing. That is common mistake. But you have to see that one sign is plus and another is minus. Means you have to do minus only. So this is 3 to power minus 2. This will be equal to 1 by 3 square is 9. This is bit 2. Now bit 3. We will be doing bit 3. Bit 3 is 7 to power minus 4 divided by 7 to power minus 2. So again we can write it as 7 to power minus 4 by 7 to power minus 2. This is can be written. Now we'll be taking 7 square, taking this to numerator and this is to denominator. 7 to power 4. This can be written as 7 into 7 and 4 can be written as 7 to power 4 is writing 4 times 7. 7 into 7, 7, 7. So 2 7s will be cancelled. It will be left with 1 by 49. So this is bit number 3. Now we'll be moving to 2 bit 8. In this it is given 2 bit 8. We are doing mine 2 by 3 to power minus 2 into 2 by 3 to power minus 1. Now you see that 2 by 3 is base. 2 by 3 is base. So we can take 2 by 3 and power will be added. Means minus 2 minus 1. Why I am writing minus 1 only? Plus minus will become minus. So this will become 2 by 3 to power minus 3. Or we can reverse it also. We have seen in the law 2 that we can reverse. This can be written as 2 to power minus 3 by 3 to power minus 3. Or 3 to power 3 by 2 to power 3. This can be written as 27. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. By 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So it is coming out to 27 by 8. Now we will be moving to bit 11. Bit 11 minus 2 by 3. So in this it is given minus 2 to power 3 minus 3 to power minus 2. So we are able to see that the power and power will be multiplied. As we know that we have seen law 5. In this case, power and power will be multiplied. So we can write it as minus 2 by 3 to power minus 3 into minus 2. And we know that when we'll be having even number of minus sign, it will be turned out to be positive. Minus minus will become plus, and it can be written as minus 2 by 3 to power of 6. So this is the value, or we can further classify, or we can write in the form of minus 2 by 3 to power 6. We can further expand. Okay. Now we'll be moving to question number 3. Okay. Now we'll be moving to 3-bit 1. This is minus 4 to power 2. Divided by means you have to write here minus 4 to power 3. This is the question which is given. Now we can write it as minus 4 to power. This 2 will be going to up numerator. It will become 3 will be going, then it will become minus. So we can write it as 2 minus 3. So it is basically minus 4 to power 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So it is becoming minus 4 to power minus 1. We will be taking it to denominator. It will become 1 by minus 4 to power 1. So it is coming out to be minus 1 by 4. So this is question number 3 bit 1. Now I will be doing question number 3 bit 10. In this question it is given 3 by 4 to power minus 3 by 4 to power 5. So we will be writing first minus 3 by 4 to power 5 divided by minus 3 by 4 to power minus 2. Whole bracket it is given minus 3. So we'll be using here BODMAS, as we know that inside thing will be calculating first. So we are able to see that base is same. We can write it as minus overall minus 3 by 4 to power 5, and in the denominator it is minus 3 by 4 to power minus 2. This is minus 3. So we can write it as we are able to see that minus is given. If it will be going to numerator, it will become plus. So we can write it as minus 3 by 4 to power 5 into minus 3 by 4 to power 2 plus 2, and overall it is sign is minus 3. So we can write it as minus 3 by 4. Base is same everywhere. So we can write it as 5 plus 2, and overall sign is minus 3. So again we can write it as minus 3 by 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 into 3. Power and power will be multiplied. 7 into minus 3 is minus 21. So it is coming out to be minus 21. Again we can change if we want to make it positive. So it will become plus 21 if we want to make. Then move the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So it will become minus 4 by 3 to power 21. Okay. So we have done up to question number 3. Okay. Now we'll be moving to question number 4. Okay. Now we'll be moving to question number 4 bit 2. In the question it is given 4 by 3 to power minus 1, 15 by 16 to power minus 2. So here we are able to see that 15 and 16, it is not a 15 by 16. It is 15 by 16, which is not a prime number. So we'll be converting. 15 is not a prime number, and 16 is not a prime number. In this case we will be trying to convert in the form of prime numbers. So 4 can be written as 2 square, or we can write it as 2 square to power into minus 1 by 3 to power minus 1. I am taking power as common, and here we can write it as 3 into 5 to power minus 2, and 4 square can be written as 2 to power 4 divided by 2 power, overall power is minus 2. Again this can be written as 2 to power minus 2, and here it is 3 to power minus 1, and here we can again simplify it, 3 to power minus 2, and this can be written as 5 to power minus 2. This can be again written as 2 to power minus 8. We'll be taking this as 2 numerator, so it will become plus 2 to power 8 into 2 to power minus 2. 3 to power minus 2 will be taking to denominator, it will become 3 to power 2 into 3 to power minus 1. Again we can take 5 also to denominator, it will become 5 to power 2. So 2 to power 8 and 2 to power minus 2, I told that we can write it as 2 to power 8 plus of minus 2. Again 3 to power 2 plus of minus 1. Power is added. I am saying minus 1 is added to 2. Indirectly we have to do, directly we have to do minus only, but I am saying minus 1 is added to 2. And 5 square, it is like that only. So we can write it as 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 to power 6, and 3 to power 2 minus 1 is 3, and 5 square is 25. 5 into 5, 2 to power 6 is 2 into 2 into 2 to 2 into 2 into 2. It is 2 to power 6 by 25 into 3 is 75. So 2 to power 6 is, when we'll be multiplying 6 times 2, it will be coming out to be 64. 64 by 75. So this is question number 4 bit 2. Okay. Now we have completed up to question number 4 bit 2, or question number 4 we have completed. Now you have to complete up to question number 4 remaining questions, and you have to ask in the next class, and the related doubt you can message us in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.